Good morning, dear students. My name is Shashank Verma, and today I am going to discuss chapter 3, playing with number, and that is part 2, student. In previous part, student, we discussed some important concept. In this part, we also discuss some important concept. So, student, we discussed till the test of divisibility of 10. Now, in this part, we will discuss the test of divisibility of what? 11. So, student, test of divisibility by 11. Here, I will explain with the help of one example. Like example is given 5, 7, 3, 2, 4, 3. 3, 2, 4, 3. Okay, everyone? Now, how to solve this question, student, in very easy manner. See, you will mark the number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, everyone? Marking done. From right hand side, now we will write down sum of odd number. Odd number means first you will check the position of odd. Matlab 5 is the odd, 3 is odd, 1 is odd. On the place of 5 student, what is written? 7. On the place of 3, what written? 2. On the place of 1 student, what written? 3. They all are odd. So here it will become 7 plus 2, 9, 9 plus 3, 12. This is sum of odd, student. Now second is sum of even. Clear, everyone? Now on the even, student, see, on the even 6 is even, so on the place of 6, 5 is written. On the place of 4, 3 is written. On the place of 2, 4 is written. Now it will become what? 12. Okay, student. Now what we have to do? We have to find out difference. Difference, you know that? Difference means subtraction, difference. So difference, when you will find out, student, it will come what? 12 minus 12 means 0. Okay, student. What is the actual test of divisibility of 11? If difference is 0 or multiple of 11, so the number is divisible by 11. Clear, student? This is the property. So see, student, in this question difference is 0. If difference is 0 or multiple of 11, yani it is the it will divisible by 11. Just 22, 33, 44. This is the multiple of 11 na? Then we can say the number is divisible by 11. Clear? First you will mark, you will write down for sum of odd, sum of even, you will find out difference. If difference is 0 or multiple of 11, then our number is divisible by 11. Clear, student? Lots of questions given in your book, so practice it and you will find out. This is very easy and simple method, student. Clear, everyone? Now the next thing is test of divisibility done, student. Next thing is given in your book is prime factorization. Clear, student? A prime factorization, everyone know prime factorization? Everyone know the prime factorization means number having only two factor, 1 and number itself. So I will take one example. देखिए prime factorization, there are two methods given in your book. First is factor tree. What is this, student? First is factor tree. So tree method matlab this is about tree method. Factor tree. See, like 60 I am writing now 60. So here I can write down 60 equal to 10 multiplied by 6. Everyone know 10 you can write down 2 multiplied by 5. This is very easy. And 6 multiplied by 6 you can write down 2 multiplied by 3. So this is our tree method, student. This is our tree method. See, this is like a branches of tree. Other method is like division method. Division method like 60 you have to find out now. So 60 I can also find out like that. 2 3 is 6, 0. 2 1 is 2, 2 5 is 10, 3 5 is 15, 5 1 is 5. Clear, everyone? So this is our what? This is prime factorization. This is another method. Of this is the like division method. Clear, everyone? So any method you can apply. First is tree method and this is simple. This is simple prime factorization. Clear, everyone? This is simple prime factorization. So one is tree method and this is simple prime factorization. Here this prime factorization is very important because we will use in SCF and LCM. So now our next topic is, student, our next topic is highest common factor. Clear, everyone? Next topic is highest common factor. means HCF. We have to find out HCF. One is HCF, one is LCM. So first we will discuss HCF. Further we will discuss LCM. Clear student? What is HCF? What is HCF? There are also two methods of HCF student. Okay. So first we will discuss the simple method. First we will discuss the simple method. Consider, for example, it is given we have to find HCF. Find HCF of 10 and 14. 10 and 14. Clear everyone? Okay. This is the simple method I am going to explain. See, so you know that 10 you can write out what? What is the factor of 10? Everyone tell me what is the factors of 10? What is the factors of 10? Everyone know कि factors of 10 is 1, 2, 5, 10 itself. This is the factor of 10. What is the factor of 14 student? 1, 2, 7 and 14. Okay everyone. Up see what is common in between them. What is common in between them? Highest common you have to find out. So what is common student? Common is, what is common? Common is 1 and 2. Clear everyone? Common is 1 and 2. So here student, common is 1 and 2 both. But student, the actual thing is that we have to find out highest common, highest. So in 1 and 2, what is highest student? In 1 and 2, highest is 2. So here you will write down HCF of 10 and 14 is equal to 2. Anyone understand? Everyone understood now why I am writing 2? Because we have to take highest. We have to take highest. 1 and 2, so both are common. It is okay. I am agree with this. But student, you have to take highest because highest common factor you have to find out. So in between 1 and 2, 2 is common. Let us assume it will come 1, 2, 3, 5. You have to write down. Matlab, these are the common. Let us assume these are the coming common. So what you will write down? You will write down 5 because you have to find out what? Highest. You have to find out highest. So in between this, 5 is highest. Now next is prime factorization. With the help of prime factorization. With help of prime factorization. Here I am doing example I am going to take. Like you have to find out 48 and 84. HCF of 48 and 84 you have to find out with the help of prime factorization. So see student, with the help of prime factorization, how you will find out student? 48, first you will write down 48, you will find out prime factorization. 2 2s are 4, 2 4s are 8, 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4, 2 6s are 12, 2 3s are 6, 3 1s are 3. This is the prime factorization of 48. Now 84, 2 4s are 8, 2 2s are 4, 2 2s are 4, 2 1s are 2, 3 7s are 21, 7 1s are 7. Okay everyone? So now here you can write down 48 equal to what? 2 multiply by 2 multiply by 2 multiply by 2 into 3. You can write down 84, you can write down student 2 multiply by 2 multiply by 3 multiply by 7. Okay everyone? Now you have to find out highest common factor of this. So first you will find out common. What is common student? These two are common. Again these two are common. And these three are common. Okay? Clear everyone? 2 is common, 3 is common. Up you have to find out highest common factor student. So you will write down what? 2 multiply by 2 multiply by 3. Is done everyone? Because you have to find out highest na. So it will become 2, 2 ja 4, 3 ja 12. So this is our HCF. Acha, this question also everyone will do with the help of previous method which I explained. How? Everyone know 48. You know that 48 factor of 48 is 1, 2, 3, 4 and also 1, 2, 4, 3, 4 and 12. फिर 24 also. Clear? फिर you will find out 84. 84 you will find out like that. Then you will find out what is the highest common factor. Everyone will do the same process. Clear? I will not explain. If you have to do prime factorization student, you will follow this step. You will find out common and you will multiply, then you will find out. Okay everyone? So this is our what? This is our prime factorization. Now the next thing is that student, this question also we can do with the help of division method. With the help of division method. See what is the division method? This is very easy and very simple. It will take very few seconds. Division method. Division method student. What is division method? We have to find out 48 and 84. We have to find out this nice student. So how you will find out? Divide. Simply divide till you get 0. So 48 1 ja 48. It will go because 48 2 ja 96. 14 minus 8 6. 7 minus 4 3. Again it is not 0. तो 48 again you will divide, 36 1 जा 36, 8 minus 6 2, 4 minus 3 1, done. फिर 12 and 36 student, 12 3 जा 36. तो student 12 is the number which divide the number properly, यानी our HCF is 12, यानी the number which divide the number properly is our answer. Clear student? So this is the HCF. अब I explain two method. First is the prime factorization, second is the division method student. Clear everyone? And one simple method I explain. So this is our HCF, highest common factor. अब the now next thing is given student in your book. It is given least common multiple, यानी LCM, lowest common multiple student. Least and lowest everything is same. Least common multiple of. So how we will find out least common multiple? Okay student. Now come to the topic LCM. LCM also consists two methods student. Two methods. So here student, least common multiple, LCM, least common multiple, that is LCM. Okay everyone. What is LCM? जैसे in previous we discuss HCF, highest common factor. अब in this we will discuss least common multiple, मतलब small number. Clear everyone? अच्छा, it also consists two method. First is prime factorization. First I will explain prime factorization. Next is division method. So first is prime factorization. So prime factorization. With the help of prime factorization we will find out. This is a little bit different with the help of HCF student. Okay everyone. So here first example I am going to take like LCM of 80, 28 and 42 is given. We have to find out LCM of 28 and 42. So see student, you know that first we will find out 28. How you will write down 28 student? With the help of prime factorization. Everyone know that 28 we can write down 2 multiply by 2 multiply by 7. You can write down 28. Acha 48 how you can write down student? 42 you can write down 2 to the 4, 2 1 ja 2, 3 7 ja 21, 7 1 ja 7. So 42 you can write down with the help of prime factorization. 2 multiply by 3 multiply by 7. Okay everyone. Acha student, in HCF what we were doing, we were find out the common. In this we have to find out the number coming maximum time. We have to find the number coming maximum time. It means let's say you have to, if you have to write down 2. If you have to write down 2, so 2 you will see ki how many times 2 is coming, and you have to write down maximum time. 2 is coming here 2 times, here coming 1 time. So what I explained, you have to write on maximum time. So maximum you will write on what? 2 times, because maximum 2 times is coming. 3 is coming maximum how many times student? Only 1 times. So you will write down 1 times. Clear na? Because 3 here not coming, but here 3 is coming 1 time. So maximum is what? 1. 7 is coming maximum how many times student? Here also coming 1 time, here also coming 1 time. So how many times you will write down? 7 you will write down only 1 time. Again 2 is coming maximum 2 times, so you will write down 2 times. 3 is coming only 1 time, so you will write down 1 time. 7 is coming only 1 time, so you will write down only 1 time. Clear? Now you will multiply. So 2 2 is 4, 4 3 is 12, 12 7 is 84. Clear student? It means 84 is the lowest common multiple of 28 and 42. How? You know that 28 1 is 28, 22, 28 2 is 56, 28 3 is 84. Okay everyone? Okay. Now 42 1 is 42, 42 2 is 84. So see student, this is the smallest. It means this is coming very first time. Na? Ki after the 28 1 is 28 2 is 28 3 is. Here 42 1 is 42 2 is 84. Clear? So yani 84 will be the least common multiple of what? 28 and 42. And if you want other LCM of this one, so further you have to go. Clear everyone? So yani 84 is the what? Least common multiple of 42 and 28. Clear everyone? So this is our prime factorization. Up next student, next is division method. What is division method? I will explain division method. Next is division method student. This is very easy, but in examination if it is given division method, so you have to apply division method. It is given prime factorization, so you have to apply prime factorization. Of division method is student what? Division method, see everyone, this is very easy. If 28 and 42 you have to find out. Okay, so write down फिर 2 1 जा 2, 2 4 जा 8, 2 2 जा 4, 2 1 जा 2, 2 7 जा 14, 21 सेम, 3 फिर 7 सेम, 3 7 जा 21, now 7 1 जा 7. तो see student, this is very easy. 2 multiply by 2 multiply by 3 multiply by 7. Okay everyone, so this will come what? 2 2 जा 4, 3 जा 12, 7 जा 84. So see student, this is very easy. In very few seconds you will solve the question based on this. Clear everyone? So what is given, you have to focus. What is the requirement of the question? If nothing is given, so you can apply any method. Okay everyone? So now maximum thing I explained student. Another formula I am going to explain which is very important for your exercises. See student, I am writing one formula, very important. One important formula. LCM equal to product of two numbers, okay, upon HCF. See student, if you have to find out LCM and product of two numbers given and HCF given, you will apply this formula. So here also you can write down LCM equal to N1. N1 is the first number, N2 is the second number, and HCF. Clear everyone? Both are same. Again what you can write down? Same formula, LCM equal to first number multiply by second number upon HCF. Okay everyone? All are same. LCM equal to product of two number upon HCF. LCM equal to N1 into N2 upon HCF. Same, because product of two number matlab there should be two number. So you can take N1 N2, A1 A2, B1 B2, anything. And first number into second number, all are same thing. Clear student? So this is very important formula. One question I will discuss on this. So see student, जैसे example I am going to take a student. Example. It is given HCF and LCM. HCF equal to 6. It is given student as HCF equal to 6. LCM equal to 840. LCM equal to 840. Clear everyone? LCM is given, HCF is given. Now you have to find out what? If one number, see student, one number it is also given student. One number is given 42. One number is given 42. So see student, what is given? It is given HCF equal to 6, LCM equal to 840. One number is equal to 42. It means what you have to find out student? You have to find out other number. Because this is common. Product of two number means any two numbers should be there. But here one number is given, one number is 42. It means you have to find out other number. So what is the formula student? LCM. You will put LCM 840 is equal to product of two number, yani N1 into N2. Yani first number, one number is 42 is given student. Other number you don't know. You will write down other number upon HCF. HCF student what? It is given. See student, value of HCF is given what? 6. Up everyone know the cross multiplication. Okay. So here you can write down 840 multiply by 6. You can write down student equal to 42 multiply by other number. Is that clear everyone? Because you are doing cross multiplication. Now you have to solve student. So here I am going to write down. This is I am going to erase. So 840 into 6. So you can write down. Here you can write down student 840 into 6 upon this 40 will come divide 42 is equal to what student? Other number. This is very easy. Now student, you have to solve this question. I know कि 42 1 ja 42, 42 2 ja 84 and 1 0. So this will become 20 multiplied by 6 upon 1 equal to other number. This is clear? So 20 into 6 student, 120 equal to other number. See student, this is very easy. Okay. Up when you will do practice now, you will do this question in less than 1 minute. You are able to do this question. Only your focus should be on question and what is given first. You will write down what is given. See everyone, this is very easy. LCM equal to product of two number upon HCF. Product of two number matlab N1 into N2 or A1 into A2, B1 B2, B1 into B2, anything you can take. but also you can write on one number into other number. Clear, student? So this I explained everything in this video. In next video we will discuss some questions. Clear, student? Till you have to understood, matlab you have to write down all formula in your copy, and you have to see what is given, what is not given. Clear, everyone? And also you have to practice. In next video we will discuss the question. Clear, student? Thank you.